Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan, mga goddess ko? Anong meron sa inyo right now, mga goddess? So, yeah. Another reading tayo right now. No zodiac again. No zodiac signs again, no? So, this is reading is for the collective, no? So, tignan natin anong sitwasyon meron ng ating mga collectives right now, no? Take what's resonate lang here, no? So, tignan natin anong sitwasyon ang meron sa ating mga collective right now na maybe you need some clarity or whatever, no? Kung ano man itong sitwasyon nyo right now. So, tignan natin anong meron sa inyo right now, collective. Let's get 2 cards here, no? So, tignan natin anong meron sa sitwasyon ng ating mga collectives right now. Universe, please. Holy Spirit, please. Anong sitwasyon meron para sa ating mga collectives? Sitwasyon ng ating mga collectives right now. We need 2 cards, please. Universe, Holy Spirit, please. Sitwasyon for the collectives. Anong merong sitwasyon sa ating mga collectives right now? Please, Holy Spirit, please, kamusta po ang ating mga collectives right now, no? Tignan natin ang anong sitwasyon meron sa inyo. So, what is this? You have this enlightened by God's wisdom, no? So, may maganda tong first card natin, no? For you collective. And what else, no? One more card, please. Universe, Holy Spirit, one more card. So, ano tong na-enlighten na kayo, no? Collective, no? So, this is a good start, no? For some of you, I think, mayroong mga clarity na nangyari dito, no? So, what else, no? We need one more card, please. Holy Spirit, one more card for the collective. For the collective, please, one more card. So, you have this. Accept yourself, love yourself, and keep moving forward. If you want to fly, you have to give up what weighs you down, no? So, connected talaga, no? So, tingnan natin yan, no? For you collective, no? Connected ang dalawang cards natin. So, merong ang enlightenment na nangyari for you, no? Collective, no? Siguro ay you have this deeper connection with God, no? So, palagi kang nanghihingi ng guidance kay God, no? So, merong nangyaring something for some of you. Kumbaga, nag-awaken ka, no? For some of you, no? Collectives, no? With God's wisdom, no? So, sinusunod mo yung mga guidance ni God sa'yo, or maybe you are seeing signs, no? O synchronicities, no? For some of you collective, no? So, sinusunod mo talaga yung guidance ni God sa iyo, no? Dahil, what is this? Because with that, no? With that enlightenment, no? Na nangyari, awakening for you, no? A collective, no? You learn to accept yourself, love yourself more, no? So, or for some of you na nagkakaroon ng clarity, no? Clarification, enlightenment sa inyong kung ano man itong sitwasyon na meron kayo right now, no? So, nagkakaroon ng enlightenment, no? Nagkakaroon ng literal na kaliwanagan sa mga pangyayari sa paligid nyo, sa buhay nyo right now, whatever you are in, whatever situation you are in right now, no, collective, no? So, nagkaroon kayo ng awakening, na enlightenment kayo, kumaga, yun nga, nagkaroon ng clarity, or you are seeking clarity pa sa mga nangyayari sa buhay mo right now, no? So, parang ito sinasabi sa'yo, no? Na just accept yourself, no? accept yourself more, love yourself more, no? So, maybe for some of you, you are in the process of healing pa, no? So, self-love, self-care, no? For some of you, no? And that's good for you, no? So, continue mo lang yan. Continue healing, no? Collective, no? Kung dumadaan kayo sa ganitong sitwasyon right now, no? So, kung makikita mo ay with this enlightened by God's wisdom, no? So, natutuwa sa iyo si God right now dahil sinusunod mo siya, no? Sinusunod mo kung ano man 'tong mga nakikita mong signs, ano man itong mga guidance, for some of you, maybe may mga downloads kayo na nare-receive, no? For some of you, and your intuition is on point, on point, no? Right now, no? Collectives, no? So, magandang sign ito, no, for you, for the changes, no. You are in the road na going to a new beginning of your life right now, no. So ito yung nakikita ko rito because you have this moving forward, no. So ang sinasabi rin dito sa iyo na if you are really ready for this new beginning, sinasabi sa iyo dito, 'di ba? Sinasabi sa iyo rito, collective, no? If you are ready now, and I think you are ready now for some of you, no? Kung ano pa yung mga nagpapabigat sa iyo, ano pa yung humahadlang sa iyo right now na para mag-move forward, para ito nga, 'di ba, sinasabi is if you want to fly, you have to give up whatever weighs you down. So it means to keep moving forward for you able to fly, no, right? No, so for you able to move forward, pursue your dreams, whatever it is, kayo lang din nakakaalam nito, collective, no? You have to give up na kung ano yung nagpapabigat sa'yo. Dahil hindi ka makakalipad kung meron kang daladalang mabibigat, mga baggages, something like that, no? Whatever it is, kayo lang din nakakaalam nito kasi you are in your divine, 'di ba? You are following your intuition, you are following divine's wisdom, God's wisdom, and of course, you know na kung ano man itong whatever it is that weighs you down, no? So sinasabi sa iyo rito for you to be able to pursue your dreams, no? Pursue what it is na kung kayo lang nakakaalam nito, no? If you want to fly na, kasi you are ready to fly na eh, but then, hindi ka makalipad eh, because may mabigat pa. And you are, the universe is advising you na to give up what weighs you down, no? Ano yung humihila sa'yo pababa ay bitawan mo na. So, ayun ang sinasabi sa'yo dito ni universe. Excuse, no? So, whoever you are, collective, no? So, take what's resonate for you, no? So, ikaw na lang din nakakaalam nito, right? No? So, whoever you are na hindi pa makausad-usad, but then you are feeling you have to move forward na, no? But then, hindi mo magawa dahil may humihila pa sa'yo pababa, may humihila pa sa'yo para hindi lumipad. May nakakapit sa'yo, collective, no? For some of you, I don't know what is this, no? Maybe environment, pwedeng sinasabi dito na kung ito ay iyong comfort zone, you have to get out of your comfort zone, no? For some of you, collectives, no? Kasi hindi mo magagawa yung dapat mong gawin if may nagpapabigat, right? No? So, kung ano yung nagpapabigat sa'yo para hindi ka makalipad is bitawan mo na raw. No? So, yeah, ito na yung sinasabi sa'yo, collective, no? So, yeah, whatever na kung ano man ito, ikaw lang din nakakaalam nito for you, collective, no? So, you are on your, you are in your, kumbaga, parang nasa ka na nasa hagdanan ka na paakyat no, right, no? malapit ka na siguro, I think, nag-i-step up ka na no? Nag-i-step up ka na towards your dreams, your goals, whatever it is na gusto mong ma-achieve or whatever it is na kung ano man ito, ikaw lang din nakakaalam nito, no? Collective, no? So, kung anong sitwasyon ba ito na dapat mo na, maybe there is a situation right now sa buhay mo, kailangan mo ng bitawan, 'di ba? Kasi hindi ka makakausad pag may hindi ka bibitawan, no? For us to be able to have a new beginning, kailangan magkaroon ng space para sa new beginning. Hindi tayo magkakaroon ng new space kapag yung dapat bitawan ay nandyan pa rin. Kasi walang space para sa new beginning. Yung mga past kailangan bitawan para magkaroon ng new beginning, no? So, ayan ang sinasabi sa iyo rito, collective, no? So, yeah, that's it, no, collective, no? I hope naka-resonate ka rito, no? So, ito, I think this is a specific message for some of you, no? Collective, no? Kung sino man ang nasa ganitong sitwasyon right now, no? So, yeah, that's it, no, collective. So, I hope naka-resonate ka dito and you got a message, no? A confirmation na you have to give up whatever weighs you down, no? So, hindi ka makakalipad kung may humahatak pa sa'yo pababa, no? So, ikaw na rin din nakakaalam kung ano man ito, no? So, yan, that's it, no? So mag-ask ka lang. So, kumbaga ito kasi si God na yung ano, nag-aano sa'yo 'di ba? Binibigyan ka na ng signs, no? Every day, He is giving you signs na kasi you are ready to fly na, but then walang space for you to this new beginning dahil hawak-hawak mo pa rin ang past, no? Something like that, no? So, yeah, that's it for you, collective. So, yeah, thank you for watching and yeah, please and like and subscribe, no, sa ating channel and yeah, God bless you and have faith lang na kakayanin mo to, no? So yeah, that's it, no? So yeah, thank you, collective.